Hey everybody, this is just another project I've been working on. So I've been learning how to weld, and I was really proud with this little weld right here that I did. So this is for this electric go-kart I've been working on with my friend, and we're just putting disc brakes on these hub motors from a hoverboard, and we had to design a bracket, and it required me to weld this piece of angle iron on, and then there's the brake, and then here's the other one on this side. And yeah, so this has been a nice little project to work on, and this felt really good. I got the foot pedal here. I got this is the Harbor Freight torch. I like it. And I got a whole bottle of argon over there. So yeah, this is another little project I've been working on besides the MR2s. So I thought I'd just show my little weld here and be proud. And then here's another tack I did on this side, and then I have to take the clamp off. Just letting it cool before I take that clamp off. But yeah, this is all just self-taught. I've been going online and kind of reading some tips, like this little hole right here. That's because I let off the heat too fast, and it does that little thing there. So I gotta slowly let off the foot pedal, but I always forget to do that. Over here, it wasn't as bad. But yeah. It's binding a little bit, but that's because I haven't really tuned it yet, the brake pad. Yeah.